Incorporating the full power of the module database into a ProcessBook display is fairly easy. You simply click on Tools, Module Context, and Add Module. And what you're going to be asked is which module context do you want to be the sort of template model, and which modules do you want to be able to select from. And what you need to do is take all that you want to be able to select data from and drill down into in the left-hand window here and make them all selected modules. You do that by selecting each one and clicking on the right arrow. Once you have all your modules selected, you can click OK, and what you will have in your ProcessBook display is something called the Available Modules pane. Now, when you build items on the screen, such as the trend item, you won't use the tag search function. However, you will use the drop-down arrow and select Module Context. This will show you the module aliases and properties that are associated with the module selected. I want to build my trend using a temperature, a concentration, and a level alias. I'll click OK. And what you'll notice here, unlike using the alias search in a simple trend, we actually show the temperatures, aliases in the tags in plot, and I can click OK to get my trend, and you'll notice that the aliases are here. I can do the same thing with properties. I can select Draw Value and insert my properties onto my page using the module context. In this case, I can select height and insert that onto my page. I can show my alias name to the left. There's no reason to show a timestamp since this is a property and it's not going to be changing. And I can copy this and simply paste it and adjust this property to show the other radius and not the height. And so what I have on my screen are my properties, property, height, and radius, and my trend. Now, the sort of big finish to all this is that because you created these using a context and not the actual tag names, when you switch reactors, when you switch context here on the left, all of the data on your spreadsheet will adjust to meet that context. So this is a way where you can build out one display and have many different sources for it as long as they share similar aliases and properties.